Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll show you exactly how to add page numbers in Google Docs, perfect for essays, reports or assignment. So let's get started and make sure to watch till the end. Simply open the browser. After opening your browser, simply type here Google Docs. After opening, you will see the option called Google Docs online document. Simply click on it and sign in to your account. After you have signed into your account, simply click on blank document or you can open your document. After you have opened the document, you will see this kind of interface. To add page number, simply click on the insert tab at the top. Simply click it. Then hover over the element called page elements. Simply hover there and you will see the option called page number, and there you can choose page number in heading starting on the first page. You can put page number in your heading, or you can put your page number starting on the second page, or you can put your page number at the footer. I will simply apply on the footer. As you can see here, page number is been applied. After you have picked the style, your page number is inserted, and that's it. Page number will now automatically appear on each page of your document. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and drop your question in comment, and I will see you in the next one.